everyone, in this video I will teach you how to make roles appear on the side of your server Discord. You should be able to see your rules here on the side of your server Discord. If this is not shown, you'll just have to click this member list icon. So just click that one and it will be hidden, and click again for it to be shown. Now going to the rules, you'll click this arrow down button here and then go to server settings, click roles, and then here you could see all the roles that you have under your server. Let's try creating one for the test. Then let's create the role. Now to make this role show on the right side, we have to enable this one, display role members separately from online members, and then save changes. Alright, once it's saved, we could try adding a member in here. Let's say this one will be added. Now let's see if it's added on the side. So here you can see that the new role has been added and then it is shown on the sidebar. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.